It just takes forever. We need the chainsaw. We need the chainsaw. Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna
We're
get the
taking a
chainsaw.
break from building. We're going to get the chainsaw.
Oh shit. So we need we explored that other one, right? Or did we not? Don't. Oh, the lady's back. Hello, lady. Can I talk to you? Hello. Oh shit, she's always not done. Put some nice on her. Give her a fucking whip.
Oh?
And then throw a GPS on
Oh,
her.
she got a gap, bro.
Yeah, broski.
What the hell? She got 3 arms, dude?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Now
I
she's
knew she had 3 legs.
now she's our defender, bro. You're gonna hear her popping out. I mean, I lose a pistol, but I gain a teammate.
She gonna shoot some motherfuckers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I guess she's staying here. Where are we going?
Bro,
Bro, look at Kelly working, bro. Look at him go. Let's go. Sheesh.
Oh, okay, Kelly. All right, so do we go to that other green one over here?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go hit that one first, and then we'll make our way around. Doo doo doo.
The one down the hill?
Yeah. Oh god, this might be a terrible idea. Oh my god!
Help.
Did you die?
I just flew about 45 feet in the air.
Bro, I'm at the cave. Where are you at?
I told you I flew about 45 feet in the air.
Come on, bro. You're supposed to be here. I don't think I've ever been to this one. I don't know. I don't remember this one. Unless they changed it. Hey, bro.
Move, bro. I'm going first. Get out, boy. Get out. Get.
I have to actually whip out my ladder.
Get.
Oh my god, why? None of my stuff
Can't
loads.
stop right there, bro.
Yeah, I can. Just did.
Bro.
Oh!
Hey, this is the one with the chainsaw. Hey, I got crossbow bolts over here. 2 different ones. Over here, in this corner. I also picked up a book that my guy won't put down.
I know, I fucking hate that.
What the fucking stupid
Just picked
thing
up the
now,
same
bro?
book. Spam a different thing. There it is. That's what I want to do with my light. I can't even put my light away, so I'm just wasting my battery. I don't know how electricity is gonna work, but
I don't know,
hey,
bro.
that's the guy that punched us in the face.
Move, bro, move.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Move.
My bad, bro.
Move.
Oh
Fuck
shit!
that guy,
Oh
bro.
shit!
Oh, hold on.
Hey, real quick, I'm gonna save. Just in case, you never know. Oh, we're on day 6, bro. We're loaded. Longest playthrough so far. Hey, there's lots of scary sounds happening, bro. No, I didn't. I didn't even know they were there. Hey, we should eat and drink some water, bro.
I'm good. I'm fine.
Oh, I have no water, bro. Wait, I do in my flask.
Saving. Saved.
Coded.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I got like no shotgun shells. Oh, I lied. I got shotgun shells.
Alright, we're Gucci. Come.
Yeah, the chainsaw's like right in
Just code. Ah, it's so bright. Hey, yo.
here. And then we enter the darkness.
Oh, I gave her my flashlight too. I fucking should have took that off. Oh, that's alright. This is cool. I like this. Those little intercom things were not in the game before. That's cool. It's also way
There's
brighter.
a demon baby. There's a demon baby swimming in the pool.
There's a demon over there. Oh shit. I'm coming! Hey bro, can I have your scheme, man? Oh, there's a letter. I picked up a letter. You spent all this time setting up a golf course. What? Why is there so much talk about goddamn golf balls and shit? No one cares. Hey, there's a demon that just punched you in the back. It's hitting you. Oh, yo. Tracksuit. Let's go. There's another one. Bro, the demon can't hit left. I found the tactic. He only hits right.
You can only throw right jabs, bro.
Oh, baby. I missed baby. There we go. I killed baby. Killed the baby. Yeah. I can't carry any more radios? Could I? Do I have a radio in my pocket? Kind of cool. Oh, whoa, they changed these a little bit. Not much, but they look nice.
Bro!
Okay. What?
How do I look, bro?
I don't know, bro. What's up, bro? Let me see. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I want that. Where'd you get that over here? Yo, this is it right here. This is it.
We look goated. Matt.
Oh, it's one of those leg things again. What is that? That's another note.
We gotta go over here.
I'll just go up the other stairs. Okay. There's more demons up here. Demons everywhere. Oh, I thought. No, no. I thought it was on. Just kidding. There's no demons up here. Oh, yeah. I'm fucking rich, broski. Mr. Puffin's desires all communication to be printed out. Do not leave digital copies of communications. Goated.
Got the guitar!
Yeah, you like your guitar weapon now? How'd you play it for so long? You legit. How are you doing that? Oh. How do you... Ooh! Yeah! Yeah! That's sick, actually. I like that. Do you think we can get an amp?
The key card.
It's over. It's around here. Dude, that'd be sick. I hope we can get an amp and you actually play some
I got the key card.
badass shit. I can't. Hey, you! Over there! After searching the entire facility, despite having much important tasks to be focused on, we managed to locate the golf clubs. Unfortunately, the golf balls still elude us.
Hey, I opened the thingy.
Goated. Hey, you! Ooh. Maintenance bunker B.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
I don't know. I'm not gonna read all this. A shotgun rail again. Let's go. I don't even know if I can use that because I already have one. All right, brother. Let's get out of here.
Hold on, we gotta find the chainsaw.
It's not. I don't think it's this one, brother. I'll come this way. Maybe it's over here.
Hold on, I'm watching the video.
Oh yeah, you thought I was quicker though. Can I have your skin? Thank you. I don't know why I would want to get these guys least it's an option. Oh yeah, I love that wall in my face. You're not even gonna kill him? You're not gonna get his skin or nothing?
What's in here, brother? Brother.
I'm coming.
Brother.
Hi, Doris. I saw on the list that you have your jammies. Oh, family have arrived. Let me know if you have time for a drink. I totally know how to read cursive. You're breathing? Oh my god. Hello? Okay, cool. Glad we solved that issue.
There's a couple guys in here.
Drinking some sody pop. That's dope, bro. Gonna eat some Muncha Crunch.
You get the chainsaw?
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna get it right now. Bro, yeah, let's go. That is the smallest chainsaw I've ever seen.
It runs on batteries too.
Oh, goated. I'm out of here, dude. Fuck this place. Fuck these
Bro,
babies.
wait for me, bro. Like, bro.
Fuck these. Whatever this thing is. I don't even know. Got extremely dark all of a sudden.
Wow, lighting transition, bro.
That's what I was saying, right? It's really heavy, though. I just don't know. Oh. Oh, no oof. I wanted to oof. Hey, I made it out of the cave, bro. I have a new crafting recipe, apparently, bro. No, you're not, bro. Shut up. You're a liar. Bro. Oh, sticks, bro. I got sticks, bro. Hey, Kelly.
Hard. Hey, so like, where's the segways at?
They're over this way, bro.
You better not be lying to me.
Oh, I see our next location.
Do you?
Yeah. To the left of us. Alright, we headed home. We got the chainsaw.
Yep, we're going back home. I gotta make it to I gotta get my hover wheel.
Hey, bro, I'm home. You have to give me a big smooch now.
Bet.
That rock one. Oh, right. Stop it right there. Going to bed. The beds are so much easier to make in this one. Thank God.
Hey, run your shit! Run your shit! Hey, look at me! Run your shit! Run your shit! Hey! Hey! Oh, they're sleeping. Oh, hold on. Prank him, John. Prank him. We'll say my creation did pretty good.
Yeah, dude.
Look at the fucking massacre of trees.
I know. That used to be a whole field of trees.
I'm done. Master, I finished.
Good. Now check out our new home. It's fucking empty.
Man, this shit kinda crammed, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, bro, we put our bed over here. Snuggle in this little corner. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, I have no idea what you're saying. I am Devin.
You aren't Calvin. Or his alter ego, Kelly.
I'm the original Cal. I need 12 sticky boys. I need 0 sticky boys. We have a bed.
Yeah, I'm saving because I don't want to lose this hard work.
Game crashes.
Exactly. All right, what do we want to build for our home now, bro? Like, we're so goated. Oh, shit. Dylan out here getting fancy.
I'll have no stories.
I think we need to go kill more demons.
Damn
Hey!
it!
Hey, lady! Yeah, you! Kill a demon!
Did you
Oh.
tell her to kill shit?
I don't know. She does whatever she wants to do.
She's just fucking useless.
Hey, yeah, you saw him.
Good.
You saw him. Shoot him. Shoot him.
We got water.
You got water. What? Oh!
I built a wing catcher
Oh, I should do that too. How did you do that?
in the menu.
Oh, you big brain.
Now I just need something to come charge me so we can burn it.
Pretty much.
How do we not have like a bajillion skulls?
Because you can only pick up like 3 at a time.
Yeah. Hey Calvin, can you get skulls, bro?
Hey, bro, I
Sticks,
need
rocks,
sticks.
log, arrows, fish. You cannot. I don't have stick either.
Bro, how you cutting down all these trees and not one stick is left in your path of destruction? Man said death to all logs, but sticks? Nah, you good. Not gathering shit, bro. Berries. Nope. Oh, berries are good for fucking hydration. That's neat. Alright, this one. Whoa! Alright, this one too. Whoa! Bro, you didn't want electricity in our home?
Do we have the stuff to get electricity going?
Yeah, we have wire and fucking light bulbs.
I want to figure it out.
Alright, I'll let you do that. I know you won't fail me. You won't let me down. You said you won't let me down.
We need more skulls and stuff though. And we need to sleep.
Oh,
God.
yeah. Ooh, let me snuggle up next to you. Oh, hey, bro. That was some good butt sex last night.
Huh? Let me say what?
Yeah, I also got a rain catcher just in case we can get more water. Dylan, you should come take a last sip of water.
But I do need some water.
I'm gonna make a fire with the last 2 of my sticks.
Tasty water. It still got one more sip. Let's go.
Sheesh.
Full on water. Oh, we're out of water.
Get that boiling pot on. You know what? I'm gonna make boiled meat.
Yeah, you do that,
Ooh, I'm getting boiled meat, bruh. Whoa. Hey, look at me. Look at me, Rail. Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind. Bye. Yeah, that might be a bit of a problem, cause
Nah, watch this shit. We ain't even ready.
you're gonna have to build. You're not gonna do what I think you're gonna do. Oh my God. You are. Shoot it on the tree behind it, and you just gotta like land on top.
I got you. Watch this shit.
I want to see this so bad. Did you hit it? No way! What a legend! What even? Wait a minute. Hold on. There you go. Cut. Just. There you go. Yeah. It's only temporary. It's okay. Bro, I'm a little scared to drop, cuz. Parkour! My boiled meat, bro! No way! That's sick! The boiled meat works just like the water, so it has like sections and it fills both your water and food. That's sick. And I have fucking like 4 more servings of it. Let's go. Eat my bacon bites. Eat my bacon bites. butt. Yeah, big butt. Yo, dude, our home looking pretty nice though, bro. I don't know. It would look pretty nice.
Hey, so I don't think I can pick these up, and that's kind of an issue.
What? For real?
Yeah.
So what you're saying is you screwed us.
Well, I screwed myself because I have no more solar panels. Unless, what if we just like theoretically restarted? Oh, that's gonna take forever to get back in though. Because I was gonna say we didn't save after placing the solar panels, but solar panels needed. How the fuck? How the fuck you do that?
I just walked up to it and I held C and it worked.
I forgot about that. I'm not gonna lie.
Broski. It's because you haven't been the one building. You've been the one just getting the logs.
Yeah. So electricity, we need a slanted thingy-majiggy. Yeah. So we need it like slanted.
Why?
Yeah.
What?
Because look at the basic electricity thing.
I don't think that's exactly what it means.
Oh, it is. I promise you. I just Googled it.
What?
Oh.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro, what's
I just
good?
wanted to say hi.
You got a log on behind you, bro.
Oh
Look
my
behind
god!
You, behind you, bro.
They fly off, Dylan. Hey, let's go! We're so goated at games. We know how to do basic physics.
Motherfuckers that know how to do basic.
Hey, bro, I want that.
Bro, Kelly's coming.
Oh, wait.
You suck.
Dude. What the fuck, man? I worked hard for that. You gonna explain it to me, or just gonna?
I don't fucking know. I don't know why the damn thing don't work. I cannot put a goddamn solar panel up here. I do not know why.
Hey, I can't put it on here. Alright, fucking electricity's useless. Fuck that shit.
Pretty much. I can't even like place the light bulbs anywhere either. We're sticking with some good old fire. Is this chandelier done?
Yeah, but I just realized you put it like right in our walking path. Instead of like maybe right here. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What are you talking about?
Wait a minute, hold up. Something right.
You're tripping.
Code on me, cool.
I did.
It was nice blood sex. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
Alright, let's see what we can build. Let's see what we can build. No way, Ka. There's finally a use for this, Ka.
For what?
The rocks.
For what?
The rocks. Our rock wall. It has an actual use.
Wait,
A fireplace. Yeah, we got a nice new fireplace in our home. Yeah. I don't know what this does, but aesthetic, but yeah.
Oh, we need to have a talk.
I think this table is going to your head. The power you hold is too great for you to live. Hold on.
That's my Sega. You're ugly. You got no ugly shit on you.
You just called me here to call me ugly. Oh. Did you just trap me in here forever?
I'm free. Nice. Good. Oh.
Yeah, you can't trap me. Oh! Damn, he got a lot of sticks. He got up! Oh my god.
There's no way he's not dead, bro.
He's dead. Bro, why are you
Now he's definitely dead.
You were just shooting
Just
the
shot
dead
his
man's
head off.
body.
Just shot his head off. There's a repair tool. I don't know what the fuck it does, but
If I had to, I think I don't have it on. Yeah, structure damage is off because I didn't want to have to rebuild their house every 5 fucking seconds.
go dude. Well, I have a repair tool now. I just made it.
You made it for nothing. What the? Wow! How was it though? Alright, so are you ready to get to the next location?
No.
Brother, what the? Oh. Vroom, vroom. Oh shit. Help. Wait. I hate this thing so much.
It's you, bro.
Yeah, let's go. Oh god.
I don't have any
god.
of my like drinks.
Oh
or anything.
god.
You're frozen.
Oh no! Did I save?